In the past, I struggled to ask the question, how can you teach kinesthetic awareness online? Normally, I'm used to be going from person to person in the classroom and find out how they feel on their yoga mat and how they feel the changes and cause the changes. To my pleasant surprise, I learned that I can actually teach. First of all, by doing the exercises with everyone, and that inspires many people. But then the other part is by guiding really, really slowly, as if someone guided me, to have more and more sensation within the body. You see, we live in the aspirin age where we try to have the least sensation we can have. We can't tolerate pain, and we don't have enough sense of the deep feeling that we have in the body when we breathe, on the deep feeling that we have in the body when we sense the movement, which most people don't sense. We lost a lot of the feelings that exist in us because we don't allow ourselves to feel pain when it's natural. Sometimes having back pain is the most natural thing you can have. If business is bad, if communication is bad, why not have back pain? It's a part of life. And sometimes feeling that pain and getting rid of the pain is a very big thing. We all are too engaged also with our vision, and we don't understand how emotional vision can be. It happens quite often that somebody can only read this letter, and with exercises, all of a sudden they can read this line. And the question is, what happened? Well, how come you go from such a big letter to such small letters? Partially it's with eye exercises, and partially it's with deep relaxation. As stress in the eyes, stress in the tissue, different concept of the brain leads to less vision. And for that reason, it's so important for me to teach everyone these days through Skype or YouTube how to take care of yourself and manage your body so there wouldn't be such a sentence like, in this stressful time. There is no stressful time. We just have to adapt to the times and get rid of the stress.